Hello, people. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Depends the time you come across this video. And if you did watch my video for the first time, my name is Lady Prosper. And if you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. In case anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first to notify. Yes, let's just jump into the video now. The wetin I'm about to say. E get one of our sister wey say Italian people collect her twins. Okay, these are twins wey dem collect now. Me I feel say the lady the girl get fault o. Wetin make me feel say the lady get fault? May I play the video? May I play small for the wetin the girl talk?
I go say I know maybe I for go another country, but I know what they waka waka. Maybe I need to make I come back there. Maybe they will consider me.
All this European talk about
the man happy you tell. It's not about you know say definitely supposed to cost maybe we can try to collect the because of the like when you come they make you pass through this stress. Now because only me and the children they suffer. We should not I come outside.
okay, not like yeah. This time not be to cry now to find solution. You understand? And where you dey now, they only they give you food, they not let you see your children.
I tell them they need stop there every day. I dey cry. I even to cry. So let me carry my trip go Nigeria back. Now they just me no one that can one. But they'll give me the next afternoon because I feed my children. They all, but they not even tell me anything. I don't give them. I not do anything. They fight me because of the father. They fight me. They call. I can't manage to escape. Come out for here. They put me go France. So they call France people. See me. They call me come back. So when I go Prefectura for France, they tell me say Italy need you back or will not be accepted because I tell them that to bring for France. They not change. Now I say come back to what do they call it Italy. I come stop for Genova. Say make I tell Waka because they don't pay the children. May I tell Waka go for association. Maybe they'll be help me. So I don't feel correct. But unfortunately, it was too bad for me. I can't come meet me. They can't carry me go hospital. Me with the children. Say you should not wear because that's me injure my baby for air. Then in the process of the according to the say what they happen. They search the name for internet. They say CC people say they need the children. So but man, but give me as not be the next afternoon because I feed my children. They hope, but they not even tell me anything. Give them. I not do anything. See, I know they comfort to that place. No life for me for there. No work, nothing. I know they do anything. So they make me come out. So me not just surprised now. They got to me. They say, Stella, you know you are still a young lady. So they come show me the paper. I did their hand. Police around me. I say I don't want to say what. They say in this paper it shows that you are taking care of your children. But this is like crime now. I say why you work come out for where they put you. The children get that protection. I say, what life for me? I think they say I want work, no work. I want go school, no. The children know they carry children, they come outside. I know if they do that kind of life with them. I need to also, I need to work, I need to go school, I need to do everything I get paper. May I for take care of my children. I know if that project forever. The time is now until the children complete 2 years, they can't carry them come outside. No, say I know if stay in one place for 2 years. Now I take go for more. They don't want to hear me. They don't collect the children like that. Since almost 3 weeks plus, they're going to 1 month. I never know where the on October let the thing happen. I never hear from the children. I don't know where they did. And they asked they carry me go one association to another. Tell me say I will see there. And inside the paper, the judge let and say I can go see the children. Okay, since I don't do any crime, when they put us down for protection house or Genova, yeah, they don't want to. I never see the children. When they come pick me, okay, make I go rent. I say no green. They don't even think they will come up and down. They go put me for one place. They call they say make say if I want to go Nigeria, they'll pick carry me and go Nigeria back. No, they just me no one that can want. And the place where they put people now, not today, they safe for that place. Not for the children. Doesn't consider that one. If I want to see the children, we need to get them out with the do. That make me I cry, come and say, I beg me, I hate me. When I help me, I beg these children, I don't really suffer for no. There are no young people picking just dash Italian like that. You know what happen. Those children are my life. Now every time why I don't invest for. I don't know what they happen. They make me cry, come on, because I know the social media type. They make me cry, come and say, I beg, I need help. I don't know who help me.
So where you come to now? What if they tell you? You tell them say you want to see your.
So this girl where they cry here, where me I feel say the 4th day wey be say although I no play all the video, I no just start am from the. If you see the video now, I dey skip am because I dey find the exactly place wey be say she for talk by herself, For me, my sister, I know say if you come across this video, my sister, listen to me. I be person wey be say I don first stay for Caritas for more than 4 years. You understand? I know wetin dem dey do like this. I know the way the play wey dem dey play with you. Na if dem wan bite you, na dem go come play with you pass. So I know the time wey dem dey take dey play bad play. I know the time wey dem take dey play good play. You understand? Not be say dem no dey help, but dem be dey help. Where me, I feel say wrong am dey for this your own issue. One, you say you be wan abort the pikin. I believe say you go don tell person for that place. Even if you not tell the people wey dey work direct, you go don tell person for that place wey go tell them say she be wan abort the pikin o, or you go by yourself don tell them say you be wan abort the pikin, say you be no need the pikin. So na be your crime. No be say you too small, because the time wey be say me I born my own for Caritas there, for Italy here. No be I never even reach that 24 years wey you talk say you dey. You understand? And two, you comot for the house wey dem put you, you go other place, you travel comot for the country. No, you not suppose do that one. Judge don say okay, as e be so, make you stay for the house wey dem put you for 2 years. Make dem see wey dem talk. Sorry, excuse me. Make dem see wey dem talk be say dem be wan watch you closely. That place wey you be dey. If your pikin poo, dem go write am. If you change am pampers, if you fit quick change am pampers, dem go write am. If you no quick change am pampers, dem go write am. If e eat, dem go write am. If you no eat, dem go write am. You understand? Because dem no wan make anything miss from wetin you dey do with the children. Na that one dem be go come take judge you. Dem go come free the children for you. If dem go free the children for you, there that place where you be still dey, you be still get chance to still get your children back. But I know they talk say you no get chance again. You still get chance because now you born your children. So now you go talk where you want stay with your children. But as it is now, my sister, wetin you go do? Beg the man wey be say wey be the father of the pikin, make you and I go meet lawyer. Tell lawyer say you be no wan abort the pikin. That one na pure lie you talk there. Tell them say you no run go another country, say na visit, you go visit them there. So from there the lawyer go dey fight the case, and tell them say you and the man don dey together, una no dey quarrel again. Make dem give you your children. Na only these 3 things. And when you go dey cry, when you talk for inside the video, they say you go dey cry, dey meet them. So because of that one, they transfer you from communita to communita. My sister, no go complicate this issue. Calm down. Do you understand? Because the way they transfer you, the way every house where you go, then they write record about you. And may God not come let the record, if the record not come good, now be say nothing will go talk again where judge where they go listen. Highest thing where they go do, they go say me you come to see the children. You understand? But if you never spoil your own record as a mother, you still get chance. Do you understand? You still get chance. Just go beg the man. Make you and the man settle. If the man know the work before, make go find work. If you get work, you get apartment, definitely the children they go release them for both of them. And they go, yes, they go say me you come the community again, make them wash you. Fine, you go. You go. They go wash you. There, I know say that place not easy because I know of people who don't go there before. That one not be the real Caritas. That one are Casa di Giudici. The Caritas where you go born, they go leave you. You go just stay free. That one different. The one where be say they be say me you stay for 2 years. That one are Casa di Giudici. Where be say anything where you, as I don't talk before, anything where you do there, they follow you, they laugh, they go stand with you. You no go know, they go they write down. If they just come up from where you did, they go write down for their office. Now what did they do for that place? My sister, maybe you come still fight them. They say may you go stay for the house. Stay. May you gain the trust of your children back. May you carry your children come out, because nothing lasts forever. you understand? Abeg my people, if you never subscribe to this YouTube channel before, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. And my sister, please take heart, not dey cry again. Na wetin I get to tell you. So I see you next time. Bye bye.